All right, so we just finished reading about motion, collisions, what happens when gravity pulls things down. Now I'm going to show you some experiments that you can try or just watch Miss Lambert do them at home. So I'm going to show you the materials that I'm going to use, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to use them. Okay, so these are the materials I'm going to use today. First, I found some pillows in my house. They can be any kind of pillows. I have 2. I also found a piece of cardboard that we were going to recycle. So I'm going to use that. It used to be a box and we flattened it down. I also found a ball. I have a basketball here, but any kind of ball, a small ball, a big ball will work. I found a roll of tape and a teddy bear. So these are all of the materials I'm going to use. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to use them. So first I'm going to make a ramp using my pillows and my cardboard. Now remember, a ramp is something that has a slope, so it can go up and down. So first I'm going to stack my 2 pillows to make them a little bit high. Then I'm going to use the cardboard and I'm going to slant it down the pillows like this. Now that I have my ramp, something that has a slope to it moving down, I'm going to test my 3 objects to see how they move down the ramp. I'm going to test out the roll of tape first. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to put the tape at the top of the ramp, and then I'm going to let go and see what happens. Oh, it rolled all the way down. Next, I'm going to test out the basketball. Before I test it out, what do you think is going to happen? Is it going to be the same as the tape? Do you think it's going to roll down the ramp? Let's see. It did. All right, and lastly, I'm going to test out the teddy bear. Let's see what happens. You roll down, but not as much as the ball or the tape. Another cool thing you can do is set up an experiment to see a collision, or when 2 things hit each other. So this is how I set up. I have my ramp here. I put one object. I'm going to use the tape at the bottom. Now I'm going to roll the basketball down, and as it goes down, I want you to watch the tape to see what happens. All right, watch the tape. All right, when the basketball hit the roll of tape, it collided into the tape and it made it move. I hope that was cool to watch some motion and collision in action. If you have some materials at home to make a ramp, and then if you have some things to roll down the ramp and play around and even make a collision, I want you to try this at home. If not, that's okay. You can just watch Miss Lambert how she did it, and that is totally fine. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed our science time together.